Hi, I'm Dave with Heise, and today we will be going over the zero, port select, and backlighting features on the Heise PTE-2 Handheld Calibrator. The port select function is used in several programming applications including zero, min-max, tare, and dampen. This allows you to choose between installed modules to which an action is to be performed. The selected modules will be indicated by having a rectangular box surrounding the measurement indication. Pressing the port select key repeatedly will allow you to select channel 1, channel 2, or both channels. Press the enter key when your selection is finalized. The zero function is used to remove the zero offset up to 10% of full scale range when zero pressure is applied. Press the zero key and use the port select key to select the appropriate channels. Press enter to zero the selected modules or press escape to cancel and return to measurement mode. A pressure module must be installed in the HHC base unit to be zeroed, and it should be within 10% of full scale of its factory programmed zero. Press the backlight key to toggle the light on/off. A user-programmable backlight auto-off timer can be used to preserve battery life. Press any key to reset the backlight auto-off timer. In this video, we reviewed the zero, port select, and backlight features for the PTE-2 Handheld Calibrator. Check out our website at www.heise.com or give us a call at 203-378-8281.